It's your girl Alicia, and I'm coming to you today with another video. In this video today, it's pretty much just gonna be like a chit chat, like kind of catch up video. And I just felt like I needed to sit down and talk to you guys. I don't know how long it's been since we sat down. So first and foremost, I want to say, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and come over and join the family. I have a goal to get to 10K, so I would really appreciate your support. If you are already one of my A1 Day 1 angels, you guys know I love you so much. I appreciate you guys for supporting the channel. I do want to say welcome to all the new subscribers, all the new, no, y'all not even subscribers. I do want to say welcome to all my new angels, because you guys are my angels. We are at 8,289 angels right now. I also want you guys to know what it means to be an angel. And I actually have it right down on my phone. It's funny because when I started my YouTube journey, I would be like looking at different videos and doing research about, you know, your target audience, you know, who are you talking to and stuff like that. And yeah, so I can remember when I was doing all that research, just thinking like, what kind of people did I want to attract to my channel? So I had came up with the name Alicia's Angels, and that it just kind of stuck with me because I felt like you guys were my angels, you know. But you guys felt like I was your angel, like, because I was like helping you out and stuff like that. But anyway, I have here, what is Alicia's Angels? Alicia's Angels. You are a messenger of God. You are not made to be perfect, but each day you strive to become better. You are a strong individual who has overcame so much. You understand that your past doesn't define you. Your past doesn't define your future. You are more than just beautiful on the outside. You understand that true beauty has a lot to do with character. You have a boss mindset. You are a leader, not a follower, who understands that nothing is impossible. And you have the power within to make all your dreams a reality. So to me, that's who you guys are. You guys are my angels, and that definition is what you guys are to me. And I feel like you guys are a lot like me. Like, I feel like I'm the type of person that, you know, I'm strong. I have a boss mindset. I overcame a lot. I do believe that true beauty has a lot to do with character, and that it's good to be a nice person. I say all this to say, yeah, I felt like with my channel, I felt like we had a lot of the superficial stuff. We had like a lot of the makeup. We had a lot of the beauty. We had a lot of the hair. You guys know I love hair. I love beauty. I love makeup. All this stuff is a part of me, you know, even like motherhood and stuff like that. But I feel like it's time to add more to the channel, more in terms of relationships, more in terms of spirituality, strengthening your mindset. Basically, on my channel, I wanted to represent like mind, body, soul, like just and living an abundant life, like not just doing good when it comes to being cute and all this superficial stuff, but like, what does your soul look like, girl? Like, what's inside of you? So I feel like I have a lot to give to you guys, and that's actually why I started the X Alicia series, which I have not been too consistent with, but I'm looking forward to adding more of that stuff to the channel. So I hope you guys are looking forward to that, because I know a lot of people is like, Alicia, I need more talking videos, like talk to me. So I know I have to talk to you guys because I have a lot to say. So now that that's out the way, I don't want you guys to like see certain changes in my channel or see certain videos and be like, Alicia, what are you going through? But in all actual reality, you know, things is changing in the world, and it's really, really important for us to focus on our mental health, focus on who we are as a person and what we are putting out for the world to see. Okay, so now that we addressed that, I feel like with my life right now, I'm in this phase where I'm learning who Alicia is, and I feel like I'm happy, although I have my days. I do have my days, You guys know I have 4 kids. I'm a mom of 4 and currently going through a divorce, so that's a lot to deal with. That is something that I want to open up with you guys about, you know, filing for a divorce. What's the divorce process? How does it go? Because I know a lot of my angels are going through a lot of different things, because you guys reach out to me and we actually talk and we kick it and mix it up. So I want to make sure I help you guys with that as well. But in terms of the kids are doing really good. Being a mother is very challenging. It is a 24/7, 365 job. There's no days off, guys. There's no time off. So I'm trying to juggle my business, 919 Frames. I'm trying to juggle my dreams and being here on YouTube. I'm trying to juggle being a mom all day, every day, and a single mom at this point. So it's been a lot to take in and a lot to adjust with. So sometimes if you guys see that I disappear and I'm not on camera, I'm not on Instagram, you're not really seeing me as much, that's why I'm just kind of like trying to keep everything in sync and keep everything afloat, keep the boat afloat. That's pretty much what's been going on. In terms of 919 Frames, girl, we are growing, and it's amazing to say. When I started 919 Frames, I was like, I'm gonna just jump out here and have faith and just give it a go. And God has blessed me, you know, to have another form of income. So I have another avenue to make money, and I just love 919 Frames. I feel like it's a lot more growing that we have to do. And although I'm super ready to start some new business ventures for you guys, I feel like I need to take my time and be patient, since I have everything going on, and really just focus on 919 Frames growing and building. So I still need to add the kids collection in. I'm working on that now. I'm working on adding more inventory to the site, so I'm really excited about that. And aside from like actually selling frames, we have the whole ordeal of me selling the wholesale vendors list. Now, the wholesale vendors list and the immense support that I've been getting with that is incredible. I've actually been having a lot of people reach out to me and wanting me to help them with their business and starting their own business, and just, woo, it's a lot. But I want you guys to know that I am definitely listening. I'm taking it all in. I'm soaking it up. And I'm thinking of ways where I can be more beneficial for you guys. It's in the process. It's in the works. So just be a little more patient with me. I'm also looking into starting a Facebook group for you guys, so we can have a community where we can actually all come together as business owners and just, you know, kick shit, you know, swap ideas, you know, help each other communicate, answer each other's questions, like a whole community of people starting their own business, which is going to be amazing. Also, the kids have been stressing me about starting a kids channel, so that's something that we are working on. So I hope you guys really support that. If you guys have little ones and kids, you're going to really love it, because my kids are super fun and energetic, and they want to like show their toys, and they want to do some vlogging, and they want to like make all kinds of creative things. And my daughter, she's an amazing drawer. Can I show you some of her sketches? My daughter is an amazing drawer, and she wants to get more into her artistic side, and I want to be the type of parent that I can support them no matter what they do. So this is just a little bit of her art. So as you guys can see, she's really artistic. So the next thing I want to tell you guys is like a little motivation. Like, I feel like when life gives you lemons, girl, you gotta learn to make lemonade. I feel like in this whole growth process that I've been going through, I've been getting thrown a lot of curveballs, like a lot of curveballs, like things just been coming out of nowhere that you would be like, man, this could really destroy me. Like, this could tear me down. But I've been remaining strong. I've been trying my best to stay positive and stay close to God and praying and just really trying my best to just keep going, just keep pushing, keep grinding. So I want to motivate you guys to keep pushing, keep grinding. Don't let nothing stop you guys from doing or achieving anything. If you have goals and hopes and dreams, don't let anything take you off your square. Like, just stay focused and get it done, period. Like, most recently I've been trying to find us somewhere new to move. Actually, my landlord sprung it on me that she's going to be selling this house that we have been in for years, and she's doing some other things and moving forward with her life. And she gave me a very, very short time period to actually move and stuff like that. So that's been really stressful for me, preparing Messiah for surgery. And the kids just started school, guys. The kids just started school, and this is Messiah's first year of kindergarten. So I had to like prepare them all for school supplies, school uniforms, everything. Finally got them in school and thought like, okay, everything's going to start calming down now, and this will be like my first year in 13 years that I can actually be home and like focus on work and focus on other things and not have to like have a child with me all day. So when I found out about Messiah's surgery, I was like, okay, Messiah has to stay home for 14 days. So that kind of like postponed everything with that. And then on top of that, I have this situation where I have to move, thrown right on top of that. So I feel like things are pretty much in limbo right now. I'm like, okay, God, what are you doing? Where are you taking me? What's going on here? But at the same time, I know and trust that everything is going to work out. So I just want to be open and transparent with you guys about what's pretty much going on in my life. As of right now, I'm maintaining the best that I can with motherhood. I've been having all kinds of curveballs. I'm actually in the process of finding somewhere else for us to move. I have no clue where we're moving. I don't. But I know that there's a home for us somewhere. So that's a whole nother journey that will be going on. Hopefully I could do like a new house tour for you guys and stuff like that. And I also know that I have to get my son through this surgery, and I have to keep all the kids focused while they're in school and just keep everything together. And I still have to make some time for me and my emotional and mental health, and you know, make time for the gym and stuff like that. But I feel like overall everything is going, you know. I feel like it's going in the right direction. I feel like I'm right where I need to be, and things is moving forward. So I'm just really pretty much chatting with you guys because we haven't really caught up in a while. But like, as far as the channel has really been growing. Thank the good Lord. I've been able to work with all kinds of different companies, and I'm getting new sponsorships, and I'm getting new money, a whole lot of new money lately. And I'm really, really excited about the future of the channel. Also, outside of the channel, something exciting is going on. October, I'm actually going to a new event that I was invited to. And it's actually like a creator event, like a all exclusive creator event. And it's actually like a beauty convention similar to like BeautyCon is similar to that. So I'll be giving you guys all the details on that. I was actually invited to come. Blessings upon blessings. I really can't even tell you how I was nominated or why I was chosen or emailed, but I'm grateful. Apart from that, I don't really want to dive into love because I feel like that's kind of something that I'm just taking one day at a time. And for me, I just want to be in a place within myself where I'm healthy, happy, and whole. So I don't want to get into that right now. But anyway, guys. That's pretty much the end of this video. I feel like it was freaking longest ever. And I just kind of wanted to update you on everything. I'll make sure I leave links down in the description if you guys want to support my business, 919 Frames. If you're starting your own business and you want to actually purchase the wholesale vendors list. All that will be down below. Make sure you guys follow me over on Instagram. We are growing on Instagram as well, so please follow me over there. And if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, angels.